This is Jay Dutch. Welcome to the channel. Just riding along this morning. Having a nice sunny day. Oh dear, traffic. Time to use filter mode. Quite tight. Squeezing through all this different traffic. One, two. Moving through gently. Not a lot of bikes around in this particular city, so you have to be extra cautious because we're not used to seeing bikes. Unlike London, when there's like every other 5 minutes you have a bike go through. You got to look out for all the different people randomly changing lanes. Something picks on this truck up ahead has decided he's now in the right lane. Moving up past him. Got a filter on the left, looking out for people might be coming in. Often people change lanes. The truck driver moves nicely for me. Thank you, matey. Moving through. And through the gap up ahead. Constant using peripheral. See somebody doing something up ahead. And braking. Sometimes there's a gap, people might have decided to take it. Squeeze through. See some people move it over, some people don't. It's a little bit tight here, so they don't seem to want to let me through. Never mind. It's all about me finding a gap, not them necessarily making one. These people are all pushed over nicely. Quite funny, got average speed check cameras, but there's no average speed, it goes more than 20. Even through pretty easy. Then you see van, no apparent reason, changing lanes. Hang back, figure out what's going on, move back through. Another car doing the same. And you just got to squeeze here. You got people stopped on the roundabout. She isn't going to stop. So nipping behind her, look right, check they're not going to. Carefully move around, and we're through. Going round here up to the roundabout, I see this absolutely awesome car. I believe it is an E-Type, Jaguar E-Type. Trying to get up, have a better look. He sees me and he moves over to let him overtake. I'm actually trying to get a good look at the car.